What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another software engineering playlist in Python, and in this video we are going to look at generators and coroutines in Python and an overview. Python actually offers two powerful flow mechanisms, generators and coroutines. Both use the yield keyword to pause and resume execution, and generators create lazy sequences with standard def functions, while coroutines extend this capability with async def and await for efficient asynchronous operations. So when to actually use each in a compared code. So generators are ideal for processing large data sets without loading everything into memory, and they are perfect for file parsing and data transformation pipelines, and also creating infinite sequences. Define read large file and also file path. This code, you can try it out in VS Code, play around with it and let us know how it works. On the other side, coroutines excel at handling input-output bound operations concurrently, and you have to use for stuff like web scraping, API interactions, database operations, and any tasks where waiting for external resources is very common. So that's an example code right below the coroutines where you can try this out in your VS Code or PyCharm. Do let us know how it went after trying this out, and we are ready for your questions. Ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.